So I hope everybody had a good holiday season and hopefully you got some good goodies to put on your X. I wanted to share a couple of things that I got. First on my list is a couple shop lights. I got some LED shop lights to put in my garage, hopefully make it a little bit brighter, better lighting for videos and for wrenching at night. I've been talking about my camshafts quite a bit, but I also got a ton of parts from Rock Auto to do some maintenance. Hydraulic lifters, which you got to replace with cams, valve cover gaskets, timing belt, water pump, all that good stuff. I also got a plethora of stickers here. A lot of them are Nissan Xterra specific, but first one here, I just got this on Amazon, MPG LOL, because that's what I think about gas mileage. Once you modify a vehicle the way that I have, you don't really care about gas mileage anymore. Off-road recovery unit, some X logos in the form of a wrench, nice X logo. And these are my favorite. These are little mini monster truck Xterras. So there's a company called Graveyard Graphics. If you just do a Google search for maybe Club Xterra stickers, Graveyard Graphics, it'll come up with a page specific for Nissan Xterra stickers. So these are first gen Nissan Xterras that obviously got big tires on here, tire carrier, off-road lights, off-road bumper, and all that good stuff. These are my favorite. So if you want some custom Xterra specific stickers, go ahead and check that out. Max water level with a little line here, a little bit of humor for the Xterra. Little mountain range. I'm thinking that I can use the little monster truck Xterras and put them on top of the mountain like they're driving over the mountains or something. Forest Service, Bigfoot edition. Somewhere along the way I got a little American flag that came with something. But other than the stickers, I got a couple other gifts. One is a good first aid kit. This is by a company on Amazon called Armaprep. I think they're more of a prepping and tactical company. But I realized that the first aid kit that I had in the Nissan Xterra, it's got that little pocket in the back hatch that has the first aid kit from the factory. If you still have that in your truck, I'm sure it's probably ready to be upgraded a little bit. I realized that mine was wholly underprepared. It just didn't really have anything in it. The one time I was looking for a Band-Aid and I realized I basically had some tape and nothing else. So this, I forget how many items that it has, but it's actually got a lot of things. It's got a little survival bracelet that's got a knife mixed into it with a whistle and with a compass if you need to navigate somewhere. First aid bandages. It's got some med tape, safety pins. It's got a CPR mask and a tourniquet. It's got some shears in case someone's injured and you need to cut clothing off of them. Cotton swabs, tweezers. It's got a window breaker and a seatbelt cutter, flint and steel, and a compass. And some regular adhesive bandages, gloves, antiseptic pads, emergency blanket. There's like a reflective blanket if you were in the wilderness or something you needed to keep warm or keep cool, reflect the sun off of you. Some triangular bandages that can be used as like an arm sling, and then just some more kind of ace-style bandages there. So I thought this was a very compact package here. It comes in a nice kit. And the nice thing is it's got the zipper pouches, but it's got the straps here so you can Velcro it, hook it somewhere, and it's got snaps. So you can easily store this in the Nissan Xterra. I also got a small fire extinguisher that is rated for vehicle fires, so that's going to be for like liquid gasoline and electrical fires. It's always good to have a fire extinguisher on you. A lot of off-road clubs will require that you have a fire extinguisher in your vehicle. So a couple extra tools here. This is a 3/8 swivel ratchet, so this is just a ratchet wrench, but the nice thing is that the head swivels. That's good for getting at some oddly placed bolts. This is just a Amazon brand, Tecton. It doesn't look like it's the highest quality, like a Snap-on or something like that. But for I think it was like 20 or 30 bucks, I thought that was a pretty good item to have on my Christmas list here. Next thing is a good torque wrench. I've had torque wrenches before, but I usually get cheaper ones. And when I say good one, I mean this is just a new one. That's really all it is. But yeah, this is so you can torque bolts to the proper specification and not over torque them and break them off. So this comes in a nice plastic case, and this was just something off of Amazon. And my personal favorite is a telescoping magnet on a stick. This is an underrated tool, very helpful, and it comes in handy in lots of situations when you drop a bolt or a screw underneath the hood of your car. So that pretty much sums up the goodies that I got on the Nissan Xterra this year and to help out in the garage. So go ahead and post below and let me know what you got. I'm curious to see what everybody's going to be doing to their Xterra in the next couple of days.